Okay, may sa ako nga na ulima pagkarabi kadutay amin ket sakbay ngayon kam ikidam dagiti makmatami iliwen may man nga makadwa kayo oray apag kanito laang apag kanito ko ta nalabi dagiti daduma kadatayo ket ang suya aban kasta. At ti sa miweng nga rod, ngayon kami sagot kada kayo, karuba ka dagitay
Pampaturok.
makapakidam, makapalagip, dagiti naglabas. Naglalo dagiti malmalday tatakan ito. Gapu, ti kinadot parikot. Gapuanan pa yan, dagiti daduma tapno isublida, tibiyag da. Itay nagsamal da. Kaslakas day kumangam, gaputa ka doon da kayo. Katinyo pa iladay kita nga panunod. Ket, balong,
Kano mo nata?
kita man
Pampaturok.
sunata nga pampaturo. Nindot karabi tayo amin. How can I say to you I love somebody new? You were so good to me always.
And when I see I can't go on with love. It breaks your heart, but I just can't hide it. Oh no, I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away too. I've been away too long. No, I can't be so strong. I've been away too Kanta ka pa eh.
Don't look that way to me. It hurts you so, I see.
Wow, ang lamig.
But I just can't go on with life.
I give you all I have, so there is nothing left. I may be wrong, but I better go now. Oh no, I've been away too long.
Ngarod karuban dagiti mensahes nga intay basahin ko man kadagitay makapasuyaab dagitay talaga mo at nga guyud na iti matatayo tapno kidam kas kuma kadagitoy nga mensahe
Kapay mo na, Jay.
kat di na masarakan ng piman datay awan dagiti mensahes ayan kat na bahag nga rabiim kakabsat dagiti online itata kas kini Bayaw Joseph Avelina Calobe
Charity Llanes.
yes naimbag nga rabi kada kayo and Joanne Andres Gulingayan naimbag nga rabi ko na ket naimbag nga rabi itayo amin karubang panagsusuyaab metten Bayaw kinidsan. Magandang gabi po sa inyo mga idol. Watching here in Hong Kong from Judith Bermudez Baltasar, Leia Valdez Manzano,
Naimbag nga rabi yung
and
Calobe. Watching from Hong Kong.
adding Sonia Castillo. Good evening. Talagang itikastoy nga oras panagsusuyaab.
Good ear karuba from Imari Pabiling.
Pigsaam ta di naman.
Watching from Singapore, from Leonida Nolasco Tabilas. Naimbag nga rabiyo dita karuba, kablaak man ni commander ko, nga busy agdaldalos, jabalay ti among na jay Saudi tata. From Rolly Feliciano, Madaya. Pa-shout out mga family ko, mga idol, Dorigo, Marquez family, dita kadastral, Villamagat, San Mateo, Isabela, Lao, kinlakay ko apyang Michelle Lakay, kasi tamat nagiti upat nga anak mi. Isuda Dave Jr., CD Ken Rambo, agyaman ako mga idol June, kinading JM God bless from Marites Marquez. Hindi ka na makapasala ko na nag-RJ.
Haan. Sa bali tema tayo tata.
Yeah, looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. Still together, still going strong. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dreamed of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. Still together, still holding strong. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss
Kuna na nga road, datay kitay nabasbasak nga pagsasaudat tay. Nga numapanan ti suyaab. Iyad damon tano lumabas ay kat aga insomnia ka. Isu nga kabsa charity, pati siyak June and JM, maisuro takpay ket kanya yon nga agsusuyabe. While on duty. No duty ka haan dapat. From Kabsa Charity. And Marites Marquez, ito mga idol ko na. And Judith Bermudez Baltasar, pa-shout out nga po. Ang Flete Bermudez Valdez at Baltasar family, mga idol. Request naman po yung Your Love. Watching here in Hong Kong. Thank you, mga idol. And, ano ta, Hearty, Eugenio Mariksa. Ang galing niyo po talaga. I love it. The best. And ading ninya says here, hello Kuya June and ading JM. Ngayon bang rabi iyo? Request ko man tayo kantang If I Sing You a Love Song. Thank you and more power. God bless. And Marie Francis Felipe Buaron says here, makapaisam nga denggan tayo napintas ng kansyon ako. More power and God bless watching from Hong Kong. Good evening to everyone. And Jerome Cairel Ruihenyo says here, kape, angkaw.
Nabgas mata ko na.
Ay ka talagang kastahan, Toras.
Medyo kudro-kudro pa yun. Sikan to, suyab ka nga, suyab.
Oras de peligro nga talaga. Before nga rin nga maturog, masapul tamat ni
Your love is like the sun.
Okay, as requested, here is something from Eric Santos. The song called Your Love.
Pa-shoutout man manong ko Hong Kong Rawat family ko naman from Hong Kong. Rawat family. Lyrics ko ay You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true, but in my heart, the reality is you. I'm all alone without you. The days are dark without the glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like
that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. That lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Okay, there was something from Alameda and later on revived by Eric Santos. May sapay apo nga makapasuya pasunata nga sagot kada tayo iti for the duo. Get please like and share our videos.
Kas labong bilyat dahi tamata minsan nagkorkori damdam. Kanan na Kuya RJ Tambayan.
Napanan.
Nasa papay balong mga maturog katawan mo't kaabay mo. Adante, daimbris ko.
Atay pungan nga no itibigatan ka nabasa.
Oy.
Tikatay.
Madingay kes-kes yan. Bakasya ka. Nice song, I love it. From my Bernos. Wow, theme song namin ng asawa ko yan. From Chewang. Ilog ka ng kalmet tection mo dito your laba. Haha. Kunana. Thank you so much, Idol. Magaling talaga. I love it po. From Judith Bermudez, Baltasar. Hello, Idol. Watching from Riyadh. Request man, Sir Idol J. Kantang account on you. Kantaon man day ta agtuglap. From Kevin Gatwood. Kunana. Hello mga Idol. Pabati naman po sa mga kasamahan ko dito sa UAE at Soliveres and Sapigaw family. Thanks po. From Lorna Sapigaw. Sige kuya, action pa mayat. Hana makaturok.
Dito yung karoon, action mo man dito wala.
Nako mo di ka mata.
Okay, this time another piece from one of my favorite. Jim Croce.
Oras sa bote.
If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I could make days last forever, if words could make wishes come true, I'd save every day like a treasure, and then again I would spend them with you. But there never seemed to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I look around enough to know that you're the one I want to go through time. If I had a box just for wishes and dreams that had never come true, the box would be empty except for the memories of how they were answered by you. But there never seemed to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I've looked around enough to know that you're the one I want to go through time with.
Kaya nangasawan ka ruba, mabalintay lang ko mga ipupok iti oras. Atay saanan nga gunggunay. Nagagitay ka nito. Nga kadwa tayo nagagitay ang ingungutan tayo ti biyag.
Kamu umakartel daw natin kung lukas yayo.
Mapasamak ko ma. Ayan. Kasla ko madatay baknang tayo nga ko mga makiskis sayan.
Magaling ka raw.
If I could save time in a bottle. Kunanangam. Ito nga buti kay ara mo agayam iso nga. Maparte ka na dagiti may pupok dito nga butalya. Ngaro dagiti pangablao ba lang.
Watching from Hong Kong FDD Group, pabati sa aking mahal na asawa Ray Escobar Ading. Kunana ni Ate Josie Tolentino Escobar.
Well,
Count on you please from Leia Valdez Manzano. Atay makapapudot mantirik na tanaglamog diti Hong Kong from Reeds Corpus de Jesus.
I get
Kuna ni Mary Jane Season Romero watching from Kuwait. Watching from Kuwait, request man na po mga idol yung long distance ngayon from Yanson Ian Heronimo. Hello Karuba, watching from Kuwait from Jen Hernandez. Apo naglamis.
our tema for tonight is panagsusuya. Biso mo dagiti isunata po nga.
Kasi kung ano makamurmuray ko na natin yung Angie.
Paturugan tayo suda. Ngaro, dyan nag-request i-count on you. Ken para kada dagiti tao nga importante ti biag tayo, dagiti mabalin tayo nga asigan, pagibagaan ti problema tayo. At mabalin tayo nga ibaon, mabalin tayo nga hangasip-siputan o agbi-meeting tayo kasi most of all, para kada dagiti tao nga mabalin tayo nga utangan.
When I think like the words come out, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry this tears all around. We've been so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've counted 1,000,000 stars. My love's still true.
Friends are come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, when they made me blue. Blue. All alone in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you.
Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle fine.
Adaliman terabiing ket jakpay makatuog. Pampanunutak je post ti gayem ko. Naskan nga tang sumbatak wenno sa anan. Ay ka mo sumbatan. Taglalako mat. Madin pa'y matawaran dagiti online nga lalako na. Kasla ka dagiti longganisa, tosino, ni Catherine.
Count on you to be fair. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll forever be important to me. My miracle find.
Tom Jones.
Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore,
Magkano
as
ba?
the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you.
Magkano ba?
Ang
Longganisa at tosino.
ay damagam kini Jerome kini Catherine.
Bili, sabi niya dito.
Dangarod
Bili na
lalako
po kayo. Longganisa at tosino.
Ngimte,
Ha, ha, ha.
ti paborito kakaaroba ka detay. Tapa. Lagi launa. Dati na maga nga tapa. Hangga dati na ibabad. Kahit ko dati na ipamaga isuna. Dati crispy no kanamon. Ati medyo naksot. That's my favorite, of course. Hanggang mo ang favorite iti bacon. Taumot-untag lalako ti bacon dito i probinsya. Sagpaminsan lang nga daglako ti bacon. Actually, da kita ti kaya tag-unay apo nga breakfast. Tosino, longganisa, tapa. Coupled with
Agbasa ka.
sunny side up and
Sunny side
fried
down.
rice, of course. And, of course, a cafe. Nga brewed nga kunanda. Brewed, when brewed. Risa watching here from Hong Kong and somebody is calling. It's Jonathan Jose. But we are not hangan nakakonect apo. So later on, into na ipagkatutundama ay connect minto na. How about Crying Time, June and Jem? Oh, haming nga piyesa. And Marikara Makaraeg is requesting for Dita Denam awan nagpasulag. And Teresa Gamiao, one of our talent in Isabela artist. Yan. Umay kayo dito, itailotwang kayo kung nanamat ni Kap sa charity. Crying time. Oh, it's crying time again. You're
Ay,
gonna
ganun.
leave me. Kung nanamat
Sa palagay mo, yung amok. I'll never let you say. Kung nagay mo,
Well, bali di dyan.
crying in the rain dyan.
Oh, it's crying time again. Ano ba ba? Oh, it's crying time. Okay, di dyan. Practice mi pa ya Kap sa charity about that. Okay? This time, ano ti kansyon ng balong? Any request?
Dos part na.
Apo nagrigat ngamin apo ti practice ngamin taman mo ti time mix. Sa tatay si mampog kami, nagping-ping-pong kami mo tadagiti anak ko. Kaya damot apo nga agping-pong kami so nga pinagbigyan men. So nga naudi kami apo nga nag-live. Anyway, may sapay nga sunata po, kaya may tiyag po kapukaw. Na.
Yung boses daw ni Babalo. Ha? Sabi ni Jerome, ha? What's that?
Sige man, pili ka man ti kansyon.
Garo ka. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin ka na. Request ka. You and I man. Balong from Antisonia. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin man ko na. Ano ka no, Tranmilos?
Malamig, pasadaan talabas set, barbaring malagip ko pa. Okay, malamig ang simoy. Nababango na natin nga ito. Basta nga Carol, tika bangir.
Ay, so ka.
Malamig.
Hindi na wala maalala.
Malamig.
Di mo naman magawa ko yung pizza eh. Ha? Sumar ng lyrics.
Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Malamig ang simoy
ng langit. Ang tibok ng puso sa dibdib. Sumar na.
para bang huna ng langit.
May inulit mo nga.
Himig Pasko'y lagana, mayroong sigla ang lahat.
Sabi kasi si boys mo.
Wala.
Sa baliris na.
Tama.
Ang kasiyahan. Mali ang course mo eh. Ha? Nangano ka eh. Ha?
Ayan, amumi dahil nga sonata idi apo, kaso barbaro tayo nga panahon na, nalipata mi dahil nga Christmas carols. Ayan, sige. This time, here's another love song for everyone.
Patawad daw po, November pa lang.
Kaya nga, nag-practice yung tanto ti Christmas carols, ag-caroling kami to apo kada kayo. And ipalpalagip min to na Sunday, iti launching iti third album. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. From Simon and Garfunkel. When you're down
when you're on the street. When evening falls so hard, I will come for you. I'll take your part. Oh, when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your
Tapos na?
Say yourself a
Ay, di ba?
sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. Oh, when you need a friend, I'm sailing right behind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your
Ngaro, dagiti ito dumaman nga pangablaaw balaw.
Orayak. Galing po talaga, idol, from Judith Bermudez Baltasar. How Deep Is Your Love from Maricar Macaraeg. Galing, Idol June.
Salamat.
Salamat po. Ha?
And as requested, here's something from the Bee Gees. Our version of the song, How Deep Is Your Love? Gano'n nga ba kalalim ang pagmamahal mo sa isang tao? Dito natin masusukat. Kunin mo yung minamahal mo. Itabsaw mo yung tidanong, yung tiyadalam. Malalaman mo kung gano'n ka malalim.
I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really mean to love, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you
You're my savior when I fall. Quiet. You may not think I care for you, when you know that inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. La da 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 da. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
And you come to me on a summer breeze, get me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show.
How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love?
I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools,
Breaking us down
when they all should let us be.
we belong to you and me. La da 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 da. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of flaws, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. La da 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 da. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of flaws, breaking us down when they all should let us be.
There was something from the Bee Gees, song called How Deep Is Your Love, and of course, as requested by our friend from Turkey.
From Turkey. Okay, from...
Marikar Makaraig.
From Marikar Makaraig. I hope.
Meron pang request dito, Hiding Inside Myself. Manmanong June from Shell Mateo.
Okay, one of my favorite piece, Hiding Inside Myself. Okay,
Good evening po from Taiwan. Request Hero by Enrique Iglesias.
matungpal na kita. Pagsasaron mo tayo. Marod, that I Hiding Inside Myself by... sino kanta ito yung balong?
Kenny Rankin.
Kenny Rankin.
I've been so alone all my life. I couldn't give my heart to anyone. Hiding myself was a man who needed to be held like everyone. Days move into years. I look for warmth between the tears. I'd never ever find you. Never ever found me. Yes, I did seem to grasp so strong. They surely broke off the time. So I hid inside till I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried. Loving her ain't a sensitive man hiding inside myself. Then you came out of nowhere. I could not believe my heart. Didn't know how to tell you. Didn't know where to start. When I hid inside, I almost died. Oh, I hid inside and I cried. Loving her ain't a sensitive man. I know you'll understand.
The message of the song, Apo, ugalyan tayo kumaapo nga waragawag, ti ayat tayo. Hingga nakakaya tayo. Hantay nga iduldulin, ti kinatao tayo. No ayatam, as early as now, ibagamon. Ayan. Tanarigat apo nga ilimlimang tayo, iti kinatao tayo. So tayo mensahe ni Kenny Rankin. Do not hide inside yourself. Be yourself, nga kunada. And messages pa?
Good day, bro. Ne? Wala pong calling niya.
Ano, kaya mo tayo.
Wag kayo nang ano.
Sige. Baka no damot ti... Kadagiti apo tumawag, kaya nasawan adati iyab kasyo nga naunag dita. Adati hugot na. Sige, go ahead. At ang harot apo tumatawag dita ni ading Sheena Mauricio Cagate.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening po.
Yes, may pinagdaraanan ka, ading... Hello? Any message?
May bagana.
Hello po.
Yes, good evening, ading. Any message? Any request or dedication? Or baka may...
Installation?
Kuya. Ano man title na azayin? Ayan. Nalipatak mo.
Anyway, batiin mo lang dagiti, batiin mo ta kansyonan da kayo na isal sa lumina nga sunata itatang rabita. Quiet na
But kuya, di ko jay parents ko jay Bambang na Vizcaya.
Okay.
Mr. and Mrs. Virgilio Cagate.
Dumdum nga
Hindi anak ko kuya.
Okay.
Baka nakaturog dan kuya.
Oh.
Ano pala oras gayam?
Nasa papay.
11 na. 11 na kuya.
Oh. 10:40.
6 gaming kat 5:35 pa lang dito eh.
Okay. Nga rod. Dahito iti sunatamot nga isagot mi kandada. Thank you very much for calling, Aling.
Ay kuya, ay title na aji kwa. Aji nga BGs nga dati title ng dati stream na gilas. Ano man aji ayan. Nalipata mo to.
Islands in the Stream, Kenny Rogers mo dahil jay. Stream.
Yes.
Islands in the Stream.
Pasla BGs tamo.
No, it's Kenny
Yes,
Rogers.
Kenny Rogers and
Dolly Parton.
Dolly.
Okay, kalpasan dito nga sonata, kansyon ni Medita.
Aji kuya ti request ko.
Islands in the Stream. Okay, thank you very much
Sige,
once
Kuya
again. Okay, bye-bye. Ngarod, dahil titinay sa
Sa sarno tawagan o pinustanta.
Right. Ngarod, dahil titi sonata ako. Nga sagot ni John Mark kata kayo.
Ay kasi ay.
Well,
Some people live their dreams. Some people close their eyes. Some people's destiny passes by. There are no guarantees. There are no alibis. That's how our love must be. Don't ask why. It takes some time. God knows how long. I know that I can forget you as soon as my heart stops breaking and disassociating. As soon as forever is true, I'll be over you. Remembering times gone by,
it is.
promises we once made. What are the reasons why nothing stays the same? There were the nights holding you close. Someday I'll try to forget them as soon as my heart stops breaking and anticipating. As soon as forever is true, I'll be over you. As soon as my heart stops breaking, anticipating. As soon as forever is true, as soon as my heart stops breaking, anticipating. As soon as forever is true, as soon as my heart Kata lyrics ah.
Pagkuhan talatan. On lyrics niya po.
Baby, when I met you, there was peace on earth. I said I can get you with a fine tooth comb. I was soft inside. There was something going on.
Asin tanada mo din.
You do something to me that I can't explain. Pull me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on. Gentle love is blind. It requires it's a dedication. All this love we feel needs no conversation. We can ride it together, making love with each other, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, I can live the love was good. Everything is nothing if you got no one, and you don't walk in the night. Slowly losing sight of the real thing. But that won't happen to us since we've got no doubt. Too deep in love and we got no way out, and the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing. No more will you cry, maybe I will hurt you never. We started in this one, in love forever. We can ride it together, making love with each other, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, Sail away.
Sail away with me.
Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, Okay, this moment, we've got another caller, so...
Hindi,
Ano?
nagre-request siya.
Ay, akala ko tumatawag siya.
Oh, tumatawag siya kasi hindi na ako kanyang request niya.
Ganon, ibig sabihin, barbaro mo ta kanta, kahit ko puro daan, ti kanta tarari. Ayan, apo, dito ti may isang...
Yung The Gift, may nagre-request kanina.
The Gift, as requested, sige. Medyo kumahanta kang kantaan ka, kang kantaan tatata.
Aji man lady road.
Lady ne. Lady. I'm a knight in shining armor and I love you.
May nag-request dito eh.
Lady. Nagadong nga lady actually.
Be my lady.
Winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I prayed I would find someone, and baby I found you, and all I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day
For the gift.
Watching as you softly sleep, what I'd give if I could keep just this moment, if only time stood still. But the colors fade away, and the years won't make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, you'd still be beautiful.
And all I want is to hold you forever. And all I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day
For the gift.
Nawawala daw signal. Oo nga.
All I want is to hold you forever. And all I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away, I can't find the words to say.
That I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Kung sa tagpeso.
And maybe that's the end. Makita magit ka talaga nga magperdi-perdi mo tanti signal. So shall we say good night to everyone, and thank you for being with us. And this has been your Manong June Sarialas together with John Mark Pastor saying good night.
O yung perfect nga.
And everyone ngam kanson mi pepe as request tayo perfect kano ngaro dahito yun ti sonata.
Wow.
Perfect mo nagka ayun na.
You know.
Oh, go ahead.
I found love for me, darling. Just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is on lion, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the favorite song. When you said you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are stuck kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Oh no, no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
So that's the end of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for being with us. Dating oras di man yung Jun Seriales kan,
John Mark Pastor.
saying good night and God bless everyone. Maturog tayo. Good night.